The Smart Access Cabinet provides an economical and efficient inventory management solution, realizing secure storage of various high and low-value materials through security agency permission management and counting functions, etc., achieving secure storage of various high and low-value materials. It can be widely applied in manufacturing industry, laboratories, medical warehouses, and other scenarios. Tianao Medical's Intelligent Access Cabinet is equipped with the OpenHarmony System, facial recognition login or smart card login. While ensuring the security of material management, it records the requisition data under the individual's name, standardizing the requisition behavior. The Intelligent Access Cabinet is equipped with an emergency manual lock. When the system is unavailable due to power failure or other special circumstances, it can be opened by authorized personnel through the manual emergency lock to extract materials. An optional high-definition wide-angle camera can be equipped to record the entire process of material management and requisition. The Intelligent Access Cabinet uses a graphical interface to select materials by images, reducing the error rate of requisition. Requisition situations are recorded in real time and inventory statistics are displayed, with the ability to generate statistical and inventory reports. The Intelligent Access Cabinet offers 4 different sizes of storage units. The main cabinet can expand more than 10 auxiliary cabinets, all centrally managed by the main cabinet. Each storage unit supports the optional automatic counting and weighing kit. Tianao Medical's production workshop is equipped with 20-slot intelligent access cabinets to manage labor protection supplies. Material requisition behavior management through the Intelligent Access Cabinet has produced good economic benefits. First, choose Facial Recognition Login. Then select the required material. Click Confirm, the door will open sequentially. The data backend can check the requisition records. Replenishment can be directly clicked on the initial interface. Adjust as needed based on the actual situation. Close the cabinet door after the requisition or replenishment is completed.